channel. Today it is Monday, October 22nd, and I am doing a fall activity morning, as you can see back there, with my kids for our homeschool morning time today. I asked over on Instagram if you guys wanted to see kind of the simple and easy ways that I do like holiday days or just like fun things with my kids in our homeschool, and you all said yes, so here we are. I wanted to quickly do a little intro because as a new homeschooling mom, I was really not worried, but I just didn't want my kids to miss out on like the holiday stuff that school can be, like traditional public school can be a lot of fun for. And those were some of my best memories in public school, which I think is not the best thing, but I wanted to be able to do that in my home for my kids as well. So generally around a holiday that we enjoy as a family or we think is fun, I will plan just like a whole morning of different activities regarding that holiday, and we will just have a fun morning. Not that all mornings are not fun, but you get what I'm saying. And our homeschool group does do like a party for certain holidays, like back to school, Valentine's Day, Halloween costume, and Christmas. But other than that, I really just do it on my own in my own house. So I am not a super fancy, extravagant Pinterest like person. That's just not me. So you'll see that the things that I do with my kids are really easy and really simple, but I think when you put them all together, it can make your morning or afternoon or whenever you wanted to do it a lot of fun. So one of the things that we're going to be doing today is just coloring these cute little coloring sheets. As you can see, I got them at Trader Joe's. They always have holiday themed coloring sheets at Trader Joe's, and so I grabbed these for my kids to color while we watch some Homeschool Pop, which is a channel here on YouTube, which is an amazing resource. I'll link it for you guys if you haven't heard about it. And we will watch some of those videos while they do this. And then another thing we're going to be doing for the first time this year is Sharpie decorating pumpkins. I have given up on carving pumpkins. My kids do not enjoy it, and I always end up doing it myself, and then I'm not enjoying it. So we've done painting and we've done the little kits that make the faces, but this year I decided to keep it really simple and just let them decorate with that. Another thing we're going to be doing for our fall morning is reading some of this book, not the whole thing obviously, Gods and Heroes Mythology Around the World. I was sent this book from Workman Publishing. You guys have heard me mention this publisher on my channel before, so a huge thank you to them. This book is perfect for reading just, about different costumes and different things that myths and things that my kids find really, really interesting. So we're going to be looking at that. And then the last thing we're going to do over here is make some Trader Joe's pumpkin muffins for a snack. And so I've got the stuff laid out for that for them later. So that is what our fall fun morning is going to look like today. And I know I'm going to get asked, are we going to our other subjects? And the answer is we will still do our Bible time in the morning, and then I will probably do a math lesson with each of my kids, but this will be our school day today, and so I'm not going to try to like rush them and then cram in other things. There's just no need for that. So I've designated today for this time. I even wore my Halloween themed workout shirt, so we're gonna have some fun. So come along with us, and if any of you guys end up using any of these ideas, or you have a fun way that you make holiday homeschool mornings meaningful, let me know down in the comments below. Sorry, my dogs are barking at the garbage truck because I'm always looking for new ideas. So let me know down below. Here's a Homeschool Pop video on bats, which goes perfectly, so we're gonna go ahead and watch this one first.
Knock, who's there? Peanut butter. Peanut butter who? The peanut butter gelatin banana. That's so silly. So well, in fact, bats can maneuver in the air better than many birds can. And there are so many different types.
So Homeschool Pop has a whole bunch of different little Halloween videos like trivia and jokes. So they're still coloring, so we're gonna go through some of these here. But I just love this site. It's great for just, you know, little add-ins, and they have lots of really cool things like all these different facts and stuff. We just watched the bats one, and that was really cute. And now, what did you say about vampires? And vampire bats?
That's probably where they got that vampires turn into bats, because vampire bats like to eat blood.
Yeah. So see, learning lots of things here today, but we're gonna go watch this trivia one next. Okay, tell everybody what we're making.
Muffins.
What kind of muffins?
Pumpkin.
Are they gonna have bugs and spiders in them?
No.
Did we go and pick our pumpkin ourselves? Where did we get the pumpkin mix?
Trader Joe's.
Trader Joe's to the rescue. Okay, get the stuff.
Okay, what do we do first?
Decorating our pumpkins, so we're gonna show them off. Okay, what did you design yours as, bud?
As a Minecraft pumpkin.
Minecraft pumpkin, and he even attached the spider. How'd you do that?
Tape.
Very good. And how about you, Missy?
A unicorn.
Ooh, a unicorn. Look at her cute little hooves. Who did these great eyes?
You.
Yeah. And what about you?
I did the same.
Also a unicorn. We love unicorns. But this unicorn has a tail, and she also has what on the side there?
Mane.
A golden mane. Very cute.
And
And how about you, buddy?
a little cute pumpkin walking along.
Oh, a two-sided pumpkin. One with a good side and one with a not so good side.
With an axe.
All right. Good job, guys. Did you like coloring on your pumpkins this year?
Yes.
Pumpkin bread is all done, and it looks so, so good. It's still hot, buddy. Don't touch it. Are you excited to have some for your snack?
Yep.
So we're going to go ahead and slice this in a second, and they're going to have their morning snack. And it is still only 11, so just the homeschool morning. Like I said, we're going to move into math this afternoon, but we wanted to spend the morning doing some fun fall activities. Good.